Hello, class 11th students. Today we will do this question of the circles, the connect section chapter, exercise 11.1. You see in this exercise 11.1, we see that we are doing this question number 1 in the exercise number 11.1. In each of the following exercises, find the equation of the circle. Basically, you have to find out the equation of the circle in this question. In this question number 1. You know what is a circle basically? I hope that you know the what is a circle is this. Let's see. This is a circle. This is a circle is that naturally there is a point we say midpoint is there. We say this is a center C. We denote the center C. C is the center. Center denoted by capital C. Okay. And then we say that here the circle is this one, and this any point on the circle. We say the coordinate is x comma y. The circle has a point P and distance between C and P. See that this distance CP equal to radius R. So you see this question is that we have said that P is a coordinates of this one x comma y means x comma y lie on the this perimeter of the circle. Xy is a variable because we are writing this equation of circle in a plane. We are writing the equation of circle of a circle in a plane xy. So that's why we are taking the variable x and y. So standard equation is what? Equation of circle we know very well that x minus h, which is center of circle is h comma k. See the center of the circle is h comma k, the coordinate. So the formula of equation of circle in a plane is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square, where h comma k is the coordinate of the center and r is the radius of the circle. So this is the equation of the circle in a plane. So class, this is the concept that we are going to use in this question. Now, what is the questions and how can we solve this question number 1? So in this question number 1, see what the thing. Find the equation of the circles with the center 0, 2 and radius 2. Say the center is given. Center is given means the coordinate h comma k is given to you 0, 2. And radius r is given to you as 2. So equation of circle, equation of circle. We know the formula x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. Now we put the value x minus 0 whole square plus y minus 2 whole square equal to r square. Open this one. This is x minus 0. This is just you see the x square. Open this one, y minus 2 whole square. This we say y square plus 4 minus 4y equal to r square. This we say implies that. So now, what we are doing? You see, simplify this one. This all equation in the left hand side, x square plus y square minus 4y plus 4. The value of r is given here. This is the 2 square. Okay. So it will r square equal to, this r square. This value of r is given. So you can say this is equal to what? 2 square means 4. This is equal to 4. So it becomes out x square plus y square minus 4y equal to 0. So this is the answer of this question. Now, we will do the question number 4. Question number 4 of this question. Center 1, 1 and radius 2. And what we have to do? We have to find out the equation of the circle with a center 1, 1 and radius root 2. So again, what is given to you. Center is given h comma k. What is the value of h comma k? 1 comma 1. And radius r is given. R is given, the value is root 2. So equation of circle, equation of circle, we know very well, x minus h square plus y minus k square equal to r square. Put the value in this equation. H equal to 1, this h 1. H equal to 1, x minus 1 whole square plus y minus k. K equal to, also 1 square. R. R equal to, this is a root 2. So root 2 square. So this becomes what? If you open this one, x minus 1 whole square becomes x square plus 1 minus 2h 2x. And we say y minus 1 whole square will be y square plus 1 minus 2y equal to root 2 square comes out 2. So simplify, taking all the elements in the left hand side and simplify this one. We say first we write on the x square terms. Okay. Then we write on the y square terms. Then we write on the minus x terms are there. This is only 1 minus 2x. Then y terms minus 2y. Then you say plus 1 plus 1 2 2 minus 2 plus 2 minus 2 equal to 0. So implies that the equation x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y equal to 0. So this is the equation of this question. Now, we will do the question number 7. In each of the following exercises 6 to 9, find the center and the radius of the circle. We do this question number 7. I'm interested to find out the radius. This circle equation is given to you, and we have to find out the radius and center of the circle is that. So, what is the general equation of circle? Let's say, what is the general equation of circle? General equation of circle. Circle is denoted by capital S. We denote the capital S, the general equation of circle S, and we write down here the equation x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This is the general equation of a circle. Remember always, the coefficient of x square and y square must be 1. Remember, remember, the coefficient of x square and y square must be 1. So this is a condition that the coefficient of x square and y square must be 1. This is a general equation of the circle. Okay. And this general equation is of circle is there, and we have to remember always this coefficient of this x square is 1 and y square is 1. Right. Second, we see what is the radius. The radius of the circle will be equal to what? R will be equal to, we say, under root g square plus f square minus c. This is the formula for to find out the radius. Similarly, for center h comma k, we say the minus g comma minus f. The center is minus g comma minus f. So this is the formula basically for a equation of circle. Okay, now we will come back on the question. This concept will be used in this question. Now, in this question number 7, what the concept we are using? Let's see. We are doing this question number 7. Say general. Let's say general equation of circuit. General equation of circle. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equal to 0. This we say this is equation number 1. Let's say the equation, the desired equation. X square plus y square minus 4x minus 8y minus 45 equal to 0. This is equation number 2 given. This equation is given to you. Compare the equation 1 and 2. Compare equation 1 and 2. So it gives the value of what? What the value of g comes out? 2g equal to minus 4. Implies that g equal to minus 4 by 2. That comes out minus 2. See, 2f equal to minus 8. Implies that f equal to minus 8 by 2 comes out minus 4. Okay. C equal to given to you minus 45. So you know the values of G, F, and C. Now what we have to find out? We have to find out the center. Center will be, you know very well, minus G comma minus F. So what the center will be here? Put the value of minus G. G minus 2, this comes out 2. And F will be here minus 4, 4. So 2 comma 4 is the center of the circle. See, we see the center 2 comma 4. This is the answer. Now, what is the radius? Radius R will be in the root of, you know, the formula g square plus f square minus c. You put the value here. So R equal to what? Under root g square, g is minus 2 whole square plus f minus 4 whole square, and c is minus 45. You see the minus becomes plus 45. So now you see this one. 2 square 4, 4 square 16, and this is 45. If you add all the numbers 20, you see the root 65. So root 65 is the radius. So radius comes out, radius comes out root 65 is the radius. This is the another answer we are getting. Now, I would like to do the question number 10. Question number 10 says, find the equation of the circle passing through the point 4, 1 and 6, 5 and whose center is on the line 4x plus y equal to 16. So here in this question, you see this 1, 4, 1, 6, 5 and this center on the line is this one. We have to find out again equation of the circle passing through these 2 points. A mean is what? What is the meaning of this question is this one. Let me explain you what is the question. Suppose this is a circle and these 2 points lie on the circle. 4, 1 lie on the circle like say this point, or you say this point, we have another point 6, 5. Means this point lie on the circle. Okay. And center is there. We say we have a center C and the one line is passing through this center. This say 4x plus y equal to 16. This line, the center lie on this line. Okay. Let's assume HK is the center of the circle. So HK will also lie on is a point on the line. So it will satisfy the equation of the line. What I'm saying that here, let center has a coordinate, let's say h comma k. So this coordinate will lie on this line. So if we put the value of h comma k, it will satisfy this equation. So basically this is a just want to tell you what is the theory is there, concept. Now, here in these questions, we have to find out the center and we have to find out the radius of the circle so that we can write down the equation of the circle. Let h comma k be the center of circle. Center of circle. Okay. Let's say the question says to you already, center is on the line. Center is on the line means h comma k will satisfy this equation of the line. So we see that one, this becomes 4h plus k equal to 16. This we say the equation number 1 and this is given basically in the questions given to you. Now we have a 2 points are there 4, 1 and 6, 5. Let assume the equation of circle with the center h comma k and radius r. We know this equation x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. This is our formula. All right. So this formula is given. We know this is a formula of the equation of the circle. Now we put the value. 4, 1 will satisfy this equation. So 4, 1 will satisfy this equation. So we see that here 4 minus h whole square plus 1 minus k whole square equal to r square. If you open this equations, what you are getting, 4 16 plus h square minus 4 into 2, 2 4 to 8, 8h minus 8h plus 1 plus k square minus 2k equal to r square. So I write down the equation in the correct way. Say h square comes early, h square, then we say k square minus 8h minus 2k, and the constant term 16 plus 1 17, and here the r square is there. So we take here to here r square equal to r square minus 17, and we say this is equation number 2. Similarly, 6 comma 5 also lie on the line. It is given. This is also, you can say, it is given that 6 comma 5 is also lie on the line. So 6 comma 5. See that here. This is a 6 comma 5. So 6 comma 5 also lie on the circle. So 6 minus h whole square plus 5 minus k whole square equal to r square. Now open this one. 36 plus h square minus 12h plus 25 plus k square minus 5 into 2 10. 10k equal to r square. So simplify this one. Write down the first h square terms plus then k square, then minus 12h minus 10k, and taking the constant in the right hand side, r square 36 plus 25. This will comes out 46, 56, and 61. R square minus 61. So this is equation number 3. Now we have a 3 equations, 1, 2, 3. And these 3 equations are here: equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3. We will solve these 3 equations to find out the 3 constants h, r, and k. Now how we solve this one? I will subtract this h and equation number 2 minus equation number 3. Subtract the equation number 3, equation number 2, do this, perform this equation number 2 minus equation number 3. So let's say h square cancel out, k square cancel out, minus 8h plus 12h, this comes out 4h, minus 2k plus 10k, this will comes out 8k plus 8k, r square cancel out, you see this one, plus 61 minus 17, so it will comes out what, 1 7 goes to 4, this 5 minus 1 becomes 4, 44. So 4h plus 8k equal to 44. Say divide this, you see this equation can be divided by 4, divide the equation by 4 completely, divide equation by 4, so it becomes, the equation becomes what, h plus 2k equal to 11. This is the equation number 4. Now see that these two equation number 1 and 4. So what is the equation number 1 and 4? We solve this equation number 1 and 4. One is what? 4h plus k equal to 16. So I want to solve these two equation. 4h plus k equal to 16. The equation number 1 I will write down again. Equation number 1 is what? 4h plus k equal to 16. Right. So now you will do this in, instead of writing this one, we are using the equation number same equation, you can say 5 better. Okay, 5 are here, we write down here 4h plus 8k equal to 44. Subtract these two equations. We are getting minus minus minus. 4h will be cancel out. You are getting here minus 7k equal to what? 4, 6 is coming, 44 minus 16. This 4, 8, and then 3 minus 1. 3 minus 1 will comes out to 28. So 7, minus 7k equal to minus 28, not plus 28, minus 28. So k equal to minus 28 upon minus 7, and you see this comes out 4. If k equal to 4, put this value of k in the equation number 4. What we are getting? H plus 2 into 4 equal to 11. So h equal to 11 minus 8, h comes out 3. So the center of the circle will be, we say, the question comes out, the center of the circle. We have just find out the center of circle h comma k equal to 3 comma 4. So we have find out the one important document, that center h comma k. Now we have to find out the value of r. So h comma k is known to us. Say we can put this value of h comma k in equation number 2. So you see here, put the value of h comma k, put the value of h comma k in equation 2. If we put this value of h comma k in equation number 2, the value of h k is what here? 3 4. H is 3 and k is 4. H is 3, 3 square, k is 4, 4 square, minus 8 into 3, 8 into 3, minus 2 into 4 equal to r square minus 17. If you simplify this one, you are getting 9 plus 16 minus 24 minus 8. This also say take here, say this side, plus 17 equal to r square. So r square will comes out if you add all the number. 16 plus 9, 25. 25 minus 24 plus 1 or 17, 18. 18 minus 8, 10. So r square will comes out 10. The value of r square is comes out 10. So now hk is known to us, r square is known to us. So now we know what is the equation of the circle. The equation of the circle, you know, the equation of circle will be x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 4 whole square equal to 10. This is the answer of this question. Now, after this question number 10, I would like to do this question number 13. This question number 13 says what? Find the equation of the circle passing through 0, 0 and making intercepts A and B on the coordinate axis. So in these questions, they are saying that we have a circle is there. This is passing through the origin and making an intercept. So basically, you can say this, you have a circle. This circle is that. And this circle is making, passing through the origin. Okay. So means one point is the origin is that. So we are drawing this x-axis and we want to draw this. All right. This y-axis. You say this is a origin and we say this is a x-axis, x dash, negative axis. This is a positive. And we say this is a y and this we say this is y dash. So it is passing through the origin, means origin lie on the circle. 0, 0 means the coordinate of the origin. And we say it is making the intercept A on the coordinate axis. So it is making the intercept is there. We say this is the intercept. This distance is A. So you can say this coordinate is what? A comma 0. And this coordinate will be, you can say intercepts are there, not the points. You can say it is this intercept is B, or this intercept is A. So we have to basically this question is given to you, and I'm making this positive sides are there, so you can say this one making the intercept and making the circle is this one. Find the equation of circle passing through 0, 0 and making intercepts A and B on the coordinate axis. So this coordinate axis point will be what? 0, comma B. So let A is a point, B see this point A is that, and this B is a another point is there. And I would like to write down the equation of the circle here. So for the equation of circle, we need the two things. One is the center. We require the center. And one thing we require the radius is there. So see in this question, this you see this axis OA, this point we see OA point B. B point is there. You see this OAB, this OAB triangle OAB is a right angle triangle, is a right angle triangle, right angle triangle with the, okay, this is right angle triangle are there. So what will be the center of the circle? The this right angle triangle is there, and triangle OAB is a right angle triangle, and circle is passing through all three vertices, passing through all three vertices of it. So this circle is passing through all the three vertices OAB. Basically, you can say this. Center of the circle, because this is right angle triangle is there at the O is a 90 degree. So center lie at the midpoint of AB. Therefore, center lie on the midpoint of line segment of segment AB. And this is the center is there, and then with the center is there, we can find out the radius from any point. So in these questions, basically center is there. What is the center will comes out. To find out the center, we are using the midpoint formula. Midpoint formula. You know, suppose these 2 points are there, A and B, with the coordinates x1, y1, and the second has a coordinate x2, y2. So the midpoint M has a coordinate x0, y0. Okay. Says what? X0 will be equal to what? X1 plus x2, y2, and y0 will be equal to what? Y1 plus y2, y2. This is the midpoint formula. Second, we have to find out the distance formula here also. In these questions, we will use the distance formula also. The distance between the 2 points, because we are looking the distance between the 2 points. Let's say what is the distance between this point A and B. Okay. Suppose you want to find out the distance between A and B. The distance formula. Say AB equal to what? Under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So these two formulas we will use in this question. So now coming on the question back, this is a concept that we are going to use in this question. So come back on this question number 13 and how we are solving this one to find out the radius and center. Say it is given that it is passing through the center 0 0. Okay, all right. When it is passing through the origin is that you can say this is a circle that is passing through the origin, and there is a 2 points A and B, A in the x-axis and B on the y-axis. The coordinate of A is a comma 0 because A is the intercept, and coordinate of B is 0 comma B. Since we see this one, AOB is a right angle, right angle. So, and center is passing, and center and circle is passing through its vertices. So the center of the circle will be midpoint of the line AB. So the center of circle is midpoint of line AB. So what is the midpoint will comes out? We see the center H comma K, H comma K, H comma K will comes out. We see here A plus 0 by 2, comma 0 plus B by 2. This will be A by 2, comma B by 2. Now, second game, we have to find out the radius. So this from the center to the point OA, say H comma K is the center. So the radius will be equal to what? And the coordinate of A, we will say that this is the center. CA is the distance. So radius R equal to CA, and by the distance formula, we apply the distance formula here. So we say h2 minus h1, we say A minus A by 2 whole square plus 0 minus B by 2 whole square. So we solve this one. We say R equal to under root A minus A by 2 square. You can say A square by 4 plus B square by 4. Simplify this one. You are getting 1 by 4 LCM. A square plus B square by 4 can be written as under root A square plus B square by 2. So this is a R square. R, not the R square. This is a R. R will comes out this one. So now we know the centers and now we know the radius. So we can write on the equation of the circle. The equation of circle, equation of circle, x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square equal to r square. So x minus h a by 2 plus y minus k also a by 2, and r square will be what you can say a square plus b square by 4. Let me simplify these equations and or may write down the answer here. All right, this is the answer of this question. There's no need to go for further simplifications. This is the answer of this question. Question number after 13, we want to do the question number 16. So this is the end of this chapter. Chapter number, we see the exercise of this 11.1. So thank you.